Hello student, now in today's class we will begin our chapter number 3, that is playing with numbers. In this chapter we will conduct with numbers, so how that number will form, how that number can form different types of number in different way. So that's why here its name is playing with numbers. Here in the book, our first topic is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Here, for that, I am jumping on my notebook. As you can see, chapter 3 playing with numbers, and its first topic is factors and multiples. Factors means what? Factors means what? Factor of a number is an exact division of that number. फैक्टर जो होता है वो किसी नंबर को बिल्कुल बराबर बराबर टुकड़ों में, इट मीन्स बराबर बराबर इक्वल पार्ट्स में क्या करता है, डिवाइड करता है. लाइक इफ आई हैव 6, सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 इज व्हाट? फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 इज व्हाट? फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 इज 2, बिकॉज 6 इज कमिंग इन द टेबल ऑफ 2. 6 इज ऑल्सो कमिंग इन द टेबल ऑफ 3, and 6 is also coming in the table of 6. So when I divide 6 into in the form of 2, so it will divide into 2 into 3 part. 2 into 3 part. How it will divide 2 into 3 part? Because when you write 2 and 2 and add them, again you have 6. So 6 is divided by 2, and how many parts? 3 parts. So 2 is the bit of the length of the part, and how many part is there? 3 part. Same as it is in 3. Here 3, in the table of 3, 6 comes 2 times. Now it's time 3 comes 2 times. 3 comes 2 times. When you add 3 2 times, again you have 6. Okay, now one more thing is there. 6 is also coming in the table of 6, like in the form of 6 1 is 6. Here you have only one part, that is only 6. When you see 6 and 6 both are same. So here 2 3 6 and 1, 2 3 6 and 1, they all are the factors of 6. They all are a factors of 6, because 1 is exactly divide 6, 2 is exactly dividing 6, 3 is also, and 6 is also dividing 6 without leaving any denominator, without leaving any remainder. It is dividing 6. Okay, now this is the factor. Same thing if I take here 18. This is another example. If I take here 18, so 18 is coming in which table? 18 firstly coming in the table of 1. 1 18s are 18. Okay, now it will come in the table of 2. How many times? 2 9s are 18. After that, in the table of 3, 3 6 are 18. After that, in the table of 4 it will coming 18. No. Check in the table of 5. No. In the table of 6, yes, in the table of 6 it will coming 6 3s are 18. In the table of 7, no. In the table of 8, no. In the table of 9, yes, 9 2s are 18. And one more last thing, 18 1 is 18. So 1 2 3 6 9 and 18 are the factors. These are the factors, these both. Okay, when you multiply 1 and 18, you will get 18. So they are factors of 18. They are factors of 18. But 18 is but 18 is a multiple of 1 and 18. 18 is multiple of 1 and 18. 18 is also a multiple of 2 and 9. 18 is also a multiple of 3 and 6. 18 is also multiple of 6 and 3. 18 is also multiple of 9 and 2. And the last is 18 is also multiple of 18 and 1. So just simple thing is there. When we multiply 2 and 9, again will make 18. 3 and 6 make 18. 6 and 3 again also make 18. So 9 and 2 also making 18, and 18 and 1 is also making 1. So what we are considering? 18 is a multiple of these together both. It means A1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So when we multiply any two number, what we can get, that will call a multiple of that number. What I said, if I multiply 3 and 5, so 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So 15 is a multiple. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5, and 3 and 5 is a factor of 15. These are factor of 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is a factor of 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. Both the condition is shuffling. Okay, both the condition is shuffling. Again, if I take one more example, 2 and 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 and 8 are a factor of 16. 2 and 8 are a factor of 16, and 16 is a multiple of 2 and 3. 16 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Okay. Now here is a multiple and factor topic. We have some rules, we have some properties of factors and multiple that we can see. Our first property is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. If I take 5, if I take here 5 for example, so 1, firstly 5 will coming in the table of 1. In the table of 1, 5 will come 5 times, because 1 5s are 5. Again, if I take 2, so in the table of 1, 2 firstly will come, so 1 2s are 2. If I take 100, so 1 into 100 will make 100 again. That's why here 1 is a factor of every number. Whatever the number is there, 1 will be the factor is definitely. Our second property is every number is a factor of itself. Itself, it means वो खुद का, अपने आप का भी खुद फैक्टर होता है. How? Like 6. If I take 6, so check it, in the table of 6, 6 is also coming. In the table of 6, 6 is also coming. Yes, in the table of 6, 6 is coming in one time. So 6 1 is 6. 6 is also a factor. If I take one more example, here 12. So check it, in the table of 12, 12 is coming or not? Yes, 12 is coming, and its factor is also a 12. That's why here already written there, every number is a factor of itself. वो खुद का भी अपने आप का फैक्टर होगा. Our third property is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. It means हमारे पास जो नंबर होगा उसका जो भी फैक्टर होगा वो उस नंबर को completely डिवाइड करेगा. Like if I take here 12, so 12 किस किस की टेबल में आता है? 12 will coming in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, Now if you divide 12 by 1, so it will divide completely. How? In the table of 12, sorry, in the table of 1, 12 curve 12 times, so it will completely dividing it. So again, if I divide 12 by 2, so it will divide 6 times. It means in the remainder we don't have anything. There is a no division, there is a no remainder in the division. That's why every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. It means 1 2 3 4 6 12 से 12 पूरा का पूरा क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. Okay? That's why here written is every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. One more example if I take here, 15, so क्या 15 1 से पूरा divide होगा? हाँ, because 1 is the factor of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. 15 3 से भी पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा. 3 के टेबल में 15 कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 5 टाइम्स में. इन द टेबल ऑफ 5 15 कम्स 3 टाइम्स. ओके, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड 15 by 5, its answer is 3. But in the remainder you don't get anything, like in this form you don't get anything. Okay, same as 15. When you divide 15 by 15, it means when we divide 15 by 1, 3, 5 and 15, it will completely dividing 15 without leaving any remainder. Now we have next property that say every factor is less than or equal to the given number and number of factor are finite. Every factor is less than or equal to given number. It means if I take any example like 12 and 6, when we do the factors of 12 and 6, 12 factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. As you can see, every factor of 12 is always less than or equal to. It means यहाँ से यहाँ तक के इसके लेस है और 12 उसके इक्वल वाले क्या हैं? फैक्टर. Same as in the 6, we have every factor either less than 6 or equal to 6. We don't get any factors greater than the given number, the taken number, that is 12 and 6. And one more thing is there, number of factor are finite. Number of factor are finite. It means we can count the factors of any number. At one place they can stop, they will stop definitely, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 factors are 12. Here total 5 factors are 12. That's why they can countable. Next property is every multiple of number is greater than or equal to that number. Like in this example, in this property they said about the multiple. Multiple जो होता है, हर मल्टीपल या तो गिवन नंबर किससे बराबर होगा या तो हमेशा उससे बड़ा होगा, या तो बराबर होगा या तो हमेशा उससे क्या होगा? बड़ा. For it we are taking one example. For example like 2. If question said us write the multiples of 2, so firstly we have to always start with 1 multiplying through. So here we have to multiply 2 because we taken 2. Okay, 2 by 1, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 4. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. अच्छा, आप कहाँ तक मल्टीप्लाई करो ये सब बोला है क्या? नहीं, they don't given us that where we have to stop. So we can stop it? No, we can't stop it. That's why अगर मैं यहाँ पर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 लाख करूँगी तो उसका भी मुझे आंसर मिलेगा? यस और नो? 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 करोड़ करूँगी उसका भी मुझे आंसर मिलेगा. That's why here the multiple of any number is equal and always greater than. Always greater than. And number of multiple is infinite. It means we can't stop it anywhere. We will multiplying it continuously where we have to stop. Okay, we can't stop it because यहाँ पर हमें we know the counting but we can't stop the counting because we know पता नहीं कहाँ तक जा रही है काउंटिंग. अगर मल्टीप्लाई उसी नंबर 2 से करेंगे तो उसका आंसर भी पता नहीं कहाँ तक जाएगा. दैट्स वाई दे आर इनफाइनाइट. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. It means अगर if we have 6, so 6 क्या 6 की टेबल में आता है? Yes, 6 is also coming in the table of 6, like 6 1 is 6. Same as for 2, 2 1 is 2. So every number is a multiple of itself. वो खुद की टेबल में भी आता है. खुद को भी अगर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे so that number will also give same number. Here we completed our properties. Okay, after this we will start our exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, its question is write all the factors of the following numbers. Firstly we have 24. It means we have to check in which table 24 is coming. So always we have to start with 1, like 124 is 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, then 6 4s are 24, then 8 3s are 24, then 12 2s are 24, then 24 1 is 24. So they in this table 24 is coming. 24 is coming and these many times 24 is coming in this table. Maybe you don't get it that how many times in the table of 12, how many times in the table of 2 24 is coming. So only one thing you have to do, you just divide 24 by 2. You just divide 24 by 2. If it is completely dividing by 2, it means 24 is coming in the table of 2. Like एक नंबर लिया 2, उस 2 से 24 को डिवाइड करेंगे. 24 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा? 12. कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड हो रहा है और क्वेश्चन क्या आ रहा है? 12. सो 2 और 12 मिलकर क्या बना रहे हैं? 24. We will multiply 2 and 12 and that answer is 24. Now B number question is 15. So again we have to start always with 1. 1 15 times will give us 15. 3 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15 and only 15 1 is 15. So in these 4 table we have 15. So they are the factors of 15. After this we have C number question 21. In the table of 1 21 times we have 21. In the table of 3 7 times we get 21. In the table of 7 3 times we get 21 and in the table of 21 we get 1 time 21. So 1 3 7 and 21 are the factors of 21. Next question is 27. So always for the finding the factors we have to start with 1. So in the table of 1 27 times we have 27. Now in the table of 3 9s are 27, then 9 3s are 27, then 27 1 is 27. So 1 3 9 and 27 are the factors of 27. Next question is 12. So we will start with 1. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1 is 12. So they are the 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. In the next question we have 20. So 1 20s are 20, 2 10 are 20, 4 5s is 20, 5 4 is 20, 10 2s are 20 and 21 is 20. So 1 2 4 5 10 and 20 are the factors of 20 because after multiplying, after reading the table of that number we get 20. Next question is G. in the table of 1, always remember we have to start with 1 because we already studied the properties. 1 is the factors of every number. So 1 18 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 are 18, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, and 18 1 is 18. So 1 2 3 6 9 and 18 are the factors of 18. Next is 23. So always we have to start with 1. 121 is 23, 123 is 23, 23 1 is 23. In this question we have only two factor, that is 1 and 23, because 23 is never coming in this either next number that are different from 1 and 23. Okay. Last question of first, 36. 136 times we have 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6 are 36, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36, and 36 1 is 36. So they are the factors of 36. Okay. Now we have question number 2 that give us write first multiples of. Write first multiples of, it means we have to start always multiplying by first, means first is representing this number and it means 1. Okay, it means 1. It means firstly we have to start with 1, and question said for 5, so we have to count 1. So we have to start 1 to 5 times because first is 1 and question said for 5 multiples. Like firstly we will multiply 5. We have question that is first, and here we have question that is 8. So when we multiplying 8 by any number, so always we have to start with 1 because question said for first 5. If here only 5, so we will multiply any 5 number, but here they want to know only first 5 multiples, so always we have to start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. यहाँ पर always 5 1 is 5 2s are 5 3s are. Now the given number is 5, so every number like 1 2 3 4 5 is multiplying by 5. So how their answer will come? Their answer will come in the form of 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so they are, its multiple is 5 10 15 20 and 25. These are the first 5 multiple because we start with 1. Okay, same as for the question number 8. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. Same as it is previous. So 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Okay. C, question number second, C, we have 9. We have to write the first 5 multiples of 9. 9 1 is 9, same as it is previous. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 and 9 5s are 45. So multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Okay. Question number 3. Match the items in column 1 with the items of column 2. So first is 35. First is 35. So we have to check which condition is satisfying the column second for column first. For the 35, A, multiple of 8. So in the table of 8, 35 is coming? No. Check for the second. Multiple of 7. Yes, in the table of 7, 35 is coming 5 times because 7 5s are 35. So our B is the first of column 1. Okay, this is the answer of first one. After this 15. After this 15. Okay. Now again we have to start with A because A is not the answer of anyone. So multiple of 8. 8 की टेबल में 15 आता है? नो, वी डोंट गेट इट. मल्टीपल ऑफ 70. मल्टीपल ऑफ 70. सो 70 की टेबल में 15 आता है? नहीं, 70 तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर है और 50 बहुत छोटा नंबर है. ओके. फैक्टर ऑफ 15. फैक्टर ऑफ 15. क्या 15 की टेबल में 30 आता है? यस. 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. That's why it is the answer of second one. Okay, now the third one 16. Third one is 16. Again we have to check through first. Multiple of 8. In the table of 8, 16 is coming. Yes, 16 is coming 2 times, so it is the answer of third one. Okay, now the 20. Here we have only C is remaining multiple of 70. So 70 की टेबल में 20 आता है? No, we don't get it. Okay, here we have the remaining portion, factors of 50. Okay, factors of 50. तो 20 जो 20 था फोर्थ वाला, वो क्या 50 का फैक्टर है? नहीं, we don't get it. Now the last is factor of 20. Yes, 20 is the factor of 20. That's why here is fourth. Now the fifth is 25. So here we have C is remaining, that is multiple of 70, and the last is 25, factors of 50. तो 25 की टेबल में 50 आता है? Yes, we have. That's why here we have fifth answer. बेटा here we have in the column 1 5 topics and in the column 2 we have 6 topics. We have one extra. That's why one is remaining in the column B. Don't get it because it is not the answer of anyone. Okay, don't be get confused because it is not the answer of anyone. After this we have question number 4, that is find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. It means we have to just find out the multiples of 9 from the starting, and जहाँ पर 100 से ऊपर जाएगा वहाँ पर जाके हमको क्या होना है? रुकना है. Okay, so we have to start through from the first one, that is 9 1 is 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. This much you all have learned, I know, but the question is told us that 9 up multiples of 9 up to 100. Here we have the answer up to 90, so we can jump also. 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108, but 108 is greater than 100. That's why we will don't take it. That's why we will don't take it. So multiples of 9 up to 100 are कौन कौन से हो जाएंगे? वो are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. They are the multiples up to 100. That are our answer. Thank you class. Have a nice day. Here we completed our today's session. This video session completed.